Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Roshan. Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, I can hear you.
Your voice is coming very low. It's very
Am I
low.
audible?
Audible but very low.
Just a minute. Let me try the earphone.
Yeah.
Am I the only one on video?
You can turn off the video, it's not required.
One sec.
I will share my screen, you can turn off the video, it's not required.
Anyway,
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I'm just putting on the earphones because you can't hear me. One sec.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, is it better?
Yeah, a little better.
Is this better?
Yes, now better. Okay, so let's start now without wasting any time. So I think today it is the first lecture, right? So today, we'll
Yes.
be doing something about the pronunciation. We'll be doing the ABCD and all that. So whenever you start a new language, right? Whenever you start a new language, first of all we start with its letters and sounds. Okay. We
Okay.
see that what is the script, what ABCD, whatever we are using, and then we'll be moving ahead with the grammar after that. So I hope you might have watched some of those videos which I gave you on WhatsApp. Did you watch them?
I watched the first video. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I have shared my screen, right? I hope you can see.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So I am playing this ABCD video first. That is the basically German list of alphabets. Just like that, no, just like you have the English ABCD, ABCD, EFGH. So just like that, we have something called as the German ABCD. So I am playing it, right? Listen to it. I am playing it twice.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah, got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's discuss them. See, in English we have something called as ABCDEFG. Right? In German we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D. Speak.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G.
A, F, G.
Correct. Then after that, H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K,
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Correct. L, M, N, O, P. Right. Then Q, R, S, T.
Q,
Q, R, S,
Q,
T.
R, S, A, U, V,
V. U, V, V.
W.
Okay.
Okay.
Then next, after that, the last one is X, Epsilon und Z. Speak X, Epsilon und Z.
X, epsilon,
Und
unset.
Z. This und means and. Okay. The word und means and. When I say und, that actually means and. So you say na X, Y, and Z. So here for and we use und.
Okay. Unset, S-E-T, set.
Yeah,
That's it.
set. T and S is mixed. Set. X,
Okay.
Epsilon und Z.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Got it till here? Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Repeat again. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
A, F, G.
A, F, G. G.
Yeah, A, F, G.
A, F, G.
Hmm. Ha E yacht
A
ka.
B C D E F G.
Correct.
Ha E yacht ka L M N O P.
Ha E yacht ka LMNO pe. Next. Ku air
Q
este.
R Q R Q R S T U V W.
U fau
W.
way. Right? Ku air este u fau.
Q R S T U V W.
Correct. Okay. Good. So I am
X,
playing this video.
epsilon.
Listen to it. I am playing it twice.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Correct. Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. Got it. So try to repeat the complete ABCD on your own. Repeat that.
A B C D E F G
AFG. AFG.
A F G. Okay. A
Yeah.
F G.
Ha
Ha
E yacht ka.
E. Ha E yacht का L M N O P
Okay.
Q R S T U V W
Ku
X
air este
epsilon
u fau way. Yeah.
X epsilon in unset.
X Y und Z. Okay.
Unset.
Got it now till here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that was a German list of ABCD, right? I am sending this video to you. You can later you can download that and keep on listening to that. So basically, like whenever you are speaking any capital letters, let's say if I take the example of BMW, so you will say BMW. Okay, in German you will say BMW. You will not say BMW. Okay, that is the.
Acha, just one more clarity.
Yeah.
G is G or gay?
Gay is the name of the letter. Okay, that is the name of the letter, right?
Gay.
Sound is G, but the letter name is gay. A B C D E F G. Okay. So see, just like if I write your name ROSHAN, I don't call you as ROSHAN. I call you as Roshan. Okay. So your letter names is ROSHAN, but when I'll call you, I'll use the sound. That R sound is R, then O, then S plus H becomes Sh, like this. Okay. So Roshan is the name. Roshan is the sound. I am mixing all the letter sounds and then I am speaking a word. And otherwise ROSHEN, that is the name of the letter. Okay.
Right.
Got it? Right.
Got it.
So now what we'll do, we'll start with that sounds of these letters. What we have done, which I was discussing, that so far we have done the letter names. Now you have to start with the sounds of these letters. So for that there are some rules. I'll send you all these files. No need to note down. You can take a printout later. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, you see there is one table. Okay. B, D, G, P, D, K. If the word, any German word, if it is ending with B, D or G, right? In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, then respectively, the sound of that B, D and G will be P, T and K. Okay.
Correct.
P, T and K sound will come. So speak the example.
Geep.
Next.
Kind.
Next.
Thak.
Okay, good. Next is A. A is having two sounds A and A. Okay. A is having two sounds A and A. After A, if it is one consonant. After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound. So what I mean by consonant? See, these A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels, and B, C, D till Z, these are the consonants. So what you have to do? You have to count the consonants coming directly after A, immediate neighbor. Okay. So see the first example, ALT. How many coming after A?
2.
Directly 2. Then FRAGEN. How many after A? 1. Directly
because
only 1.
Vowel comes again.
So we'll stop the counting there. Okay. So only 1. Then TRAGEN. How many after A? Directly?
1.
Okay. So
Mhm.
after A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound. After A, if it is one consonant, it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound.
Mhm.
Right? So speak the
Right.
example. Alt,
Alt,
hmm,
Fragen,
Fragen,
Tragen,
Alt, Fragen, and Tragen.
Tragen.
Right?
Right.
Clear now? Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Next
Clear.
is E. E is having A sound. E is having A sound.
Uh,
Speak the example.
SN,
SN. And next, Egal.
Egal. Okay,
Egal,
okay.
not egal.
Egal.
It's egal. Egal. After a one consonant,
Egal.
so that
Egal.
is egal.
SN and Egal.
Correct. SNN,
A and
egal.
A. Okay,
Hmm.
Egal.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
SNN,
You
egal.
say okay. And A. Okay.
Yeah. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. So after I, if
So
it
E
is,
has only just
Mhm.
coming back. E has only one sound. Just
Yes, yes,
A.
yes. There's no
That's it.
counting. There's no counting. Only one sound.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Next is I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Long
Okay.
E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E. Otherwise, it's short E. So speak the example. This one. Ist,
No, Wieder. Okay.
ist. Next,
Ist.
wieder.
One E.
Hmm. Ist, wieder. Then
Wieder. Wieder and built.
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 Ist, wieder, and built. Next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. O is having two sounds. O and O. After O, if it is one
Oh.
consonant, then it is O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome. O for awesome. So speak the example.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. Hmm.
If it is one, then O. If it has two, then O.
O. Correct. So speak the example.
Order.
Order. Next.
Is that soul?
Zol.
No,
Zol.
Zol.
Single
Zol.
S is
Okay.
the, double S is the. Hmm.
Zol.
Zol. Next.
Monat.
Monad. Next.
Monat.
Hmm.
Carp.
Corp. Corp.
Corp.
Okay.
Okay. Corp.
Order.
Corp.
Zol. Monad and corp.
If there are two, then O.
Correct.
Corp.
Next is
Okay.
U. U is having
Carp.
U sound. U is having U sound. So speak the example.
U. Acha.
Hmm. Tun.
U. Tun.
Hmm. Next.
Tun.
Hmm.
Muta.
Mutter. Next.
Muta. Shush.
Shoe.
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Tun,
Shoe.
mutter, and shoe. Correct. Tun, mutter, and
Muta.
shoe. Good. So
Muta
first of
and
all,
shoe. Okay.
what I am doing is I am sending you this PDF file. Okay. Download the file and go through the letters for 5 minutes. From A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Download that. Go through the letters. After 5 minutes, you will speak the rules and the example once again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Send on a Skype chat.
Pronunciation part, right?
Yeah. Part 1.
Okay. So you want me to
Go through it for 5 minutes. Try to learn the rules. Okay. And then after 5 minutes, you have to explain the rule and the example.
okay.
Only A, E, I, O, and U. Only that much you have to revise.
Yeah, I think I
Okay. Yes. So
revised it.
start from A, speak the rule, and then the example. Okay. Or start from the table first, from the top.
Yeah. So if any word ends with B, the sound of the word will end with P.
Hmm.
So, for example, if it's GIB, it will sound as Jeep.
Hmm.
And if any word is ending with D,
Hmm.
the sound will end with T. So, in this, in if KIND becomes Kint,
Hmm.
and so that's BND. And if any word ends with G,
Hmm.
the sound of the word ending with G will be K or K. So, for example, TAG becomes Tak.
Correct. Next.
And coming to vowels,
Hmm.
if if A is coming after a single consonant, before a single consonant, then the sound will become A, and if
Hmm.
it's coming before a double consonant, the sound will become A.
Hmm.
For example, in alt, there are two consonants after A, so it will become ult, ult, yeah.
Hmm.
And the word is fragen. So after A, there's a single consonant, so it will become fragen, as in A. And in TRAGEN also there's a single consonant after A, so the sound will become A, so it's Tragen.
Hmm. Correct. Next.
And coming to E,
Hmm.
the sound would be A.
Hmm.
There's no such rule, so the
Hmm.
sound would be A. So if the
Hmm.
word is E, double SEN, so it will become SN,
Hmm.
SN, and EGAL will be egal.
Correct. Egal. Okay. Next. I.
And I coming to I, if there's a single consonant before I, the sound will be a stretch E,
Hmm.
and if it's a double consonant before if I is coming before a double consonant, then the sound will be I.
Hmm.
So, for
Yeah.
example, if it is I double S T, so there are three consonants before I, so it will be I, ist,
Hmm.
and if the word is WIDER, then is coming before
Hmm.
one consonant D, so the word will become wieder as an
Hmm.
E. You stretch it. So with a single consonant, you stretch it. Okay.
Yes. East, Wieder,
And
and Bild. Okay.
the next word is BILD.
Hmm.
So there are two consonants before I. So
Hmm.
we stretch it. We don't stretch it. It will become
Hmm.
built.
Correct. Okay.
Built.
Yeah. 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 Next. O.
Uh, coming, coming to O, there are two sounds. That's O and O.
Hmm.
So when O is coming coming directly before single consonant, it will become O, and if it's coming directly before two consonants, double consonant, it will become O.
Hmm.
So, for example, the word is ODER.
Hmm.
So it's coming. O is coming for a single consonant, so it will become order,
Hmm.
order,
Hmm.
and say SOLL. It will sound O is coming before a double consonant, so it will become O. So Zol.
Hmm.
And this in the case of MONAT, so there's a single consonant after O, that's N.
Hmm.
So the sound will become
O.
monet,
Monad. Monad. Okay.
sorry,
Right.
monat, yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
or monat,
Hmm.
A and okay, monat, and in the word KORB, so there is a double consonant before O, so the sound will be corp, or
Hmm.
corp.
Corp. Corp. Correct. Next. U is U.
U is U,
Hmm.
the sound, and so for them the word is TUN, should be tune. If the word
Hmm.
is MUTTER, it will be mutter,
Hmm.
and if it's SHUH, it'll be shoe.
Shoe. Great. Okay. Next is B. You can see my screen. So B in the end is per. Okay. From the table BDGPTK, B in the end is per, and
Yeah,
beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the
yeah.
example. Speak the example. Billen.
Villain,
Hmm.
yeah, villain.
Next.
Oben,
Hmm.
corpse,
Hmm.
geek.
Geep. Billen, open, corp, and geep. Okay. Next is C. C is having the k sound. C is having the k sound. So speak the
Yeah.
example.
Cam,
Camping. Camping.
cam,
Yeah. It's an English word only. So you can speak like camping. Okay. Next.
camping or camping.
Camping. It's an English word. You can speak like camping. It's fine. Okay.
But sound you mentioned PINK.
That is camping, right? You can say camping also, but you can say camping also. That's what I'm saying. They have taken this word from English, so you can speak like English. Okay.
Okay, but the sound in the end will be ending with ink or ink.
Sound only. I am saying you can speak like English. Camping, because they have
Okay.
taken this word from English. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
Sound only. I am saying camping. Spelling also camping. Sound also camping. Right.
Okay.
Next is D. D in the end is t from the table BDGPTK. D in the end is t, and beginning
Yeah.
or middle
Yeah.
is D for dog. Beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the
Dog.
example. First example.
Boom.
Doom. Next.
Bide.
Bider. Next.
Bider.
Mm-hmm.
Bider.
Mm-hmm.
Weeder.
Wider. Next.
Weeder.
Mm-hmm. Bart.
Okay. Bart.
Mm-hmm. Next.
And
Hunt.
hunt.
Hunt. Okay. Doom, Bider, Wider, Bart, and Hunt. Okay. Next is F. F is fur. F is fur sound. So speak the
F is
example of
for
F.
foul.
Foul. Next. Foul, and one more is there. Shaft.
Shaft.
Correct. Next is G. G in the end is K. G in the end is K. Beginning or middle is G for gun. G in the end is K. Beginning or middle is G for gun.
Right.
So speak the example.
Gegen.
Gegen. Next.
Tak.
Tak. Next.
Fluke.
Flug.
Fluke.
Gegen, Tak, and Flug. Correct. Next. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Okay. H in the beginning is her, and middle or end it is silent. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. So speak the example.
Silent.
Hmm. Halt.
Halt.
Next. Gain.
Gen.
Halt. Gain. Next.
Gen.
Zain.
Zen.
Correct. Correct. Next is J. J is year. J is year sound. Speak the example of J.
Junge.
J is year sound. Younger.
Yeah. Junge.
Okay. Correct. Younger.
Junge. Junge.
Yes.
Not Junge.
Younger. E in the end is a. Okay. E in the end is a. So that is younger.
Okay. Junge.
Right. Next is K, L, M, and P. That is having the same sound. Kalamana. K, L, M, and P. That is having the same sound. Kalamana. So speak the example.
Right.
Example. Klasa.
Klasse. Chicken. Keller. Will. Earthman.
Atman. Yeah.
Schwim.
Okay. Next. Rennen.
Lipper.
Rennen and Lipper. Okay.
Sorry. Rennen. Braun. Lipper.
Lipper. Rennen, Brown, and Lipper. Okay, good. Right.
Brown.
Now again go through the PDF from B till P. Okay. Go through the examples and the rules from A till P once again. And after 2-3 minutes, we'll discuss them again. Okay. First go through them properly. Try to revise them 3-4 times and try to learn the rules. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
And done.
Okay. Start now from B. Speak the rule and then the example from B. Okay.
B. Okay, B is the verb for the ball sound, and if it ends with the word ends with B, it becomes the. It sounds as P.
Hmm.
So the words are Balin, Odin,
Hmm.
Caught, Deep.
Yeah. Okay.
And see the sound will be K.
Mm-hmm.
And so the word is something, then it will be something. After C,
Mm-hmm.
in camping, underline
Camping.
is mentioned
Camping.
one, two consonants
No,
after
no.
C word.
Here you don't have to apply the rule. They have taken it from English. You can simply speak camping. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
camping.
Next.
D for D, the same sound as for dog, D for dog. But if it ends with D ends with if the word ends with D, then its sound becomes T, as
Hmm.
in K-I-N-D becomes kint.
Mm-hmm.
So I say D-U-M-M will become doom. Uh, B-E-I-D will be bider. W-I-E sounds as E, so it becomes reader. B-A-D has one consonant after A, so it becomes bat.
Mm-hmm.
And H-A-N-D has two consonants. A has two consonants, comes for two consonants, so it becomes hunt.
Hunt.
Sorry, hunt.
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 Hunt. Not hunt. It's A. Little
Hunt.
bit A will come. Hunt.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
hunt.
Yeah.
Hunt. And F is the same sound as for football.
Hmm.
So what is F-A-U-L will become foul, and S-H-A-F will become shaft. For.
Hmm.
The for sound is for football.
Foul and shaft. Correct. Next. G.
G is for G is for sound is g for gun and good. In the middle it will be g, and if G comes at the end, it will sound like k, k as in k, k. So if the word is G-E-G-N, it will become Gagan,
Mm-hmm.
Gagan. And if it's
Mm-hmm.
T-A-G, it will sound as Tap. And if
Mm-hmm.
it's K-L-U-G, it will be Clue.
Correct. Gegentak and Kluk. Next. H.
H, the sound is her, as in for hen.
Hmm.
If it's at the beginning of the word H is her, if in the middle of the word it's silent, so we don't say the word H. So, for example, HALT will become
Yeah.
halt,
Halt. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and GHEN will become GAN,
Hmm.
and SEHEN will become ZAN.
Hmm. Zen. Correct. Next. J.
J is the sound is ya in the alphabet, yacht in the alphabet, so the sound is ya for yellow.
Hmm.
So, if the word is Junge, will be Junge
Jung.
or
Jung.
Junge. Junge.
Hmm. Hmm.
Junge. G-A-U-N-G become Junge.
Jung.
So
Jung. Yeah.
that's the
Okay.
sound
This is Junga. Junga. Correct. Correct. Junga.
Junge.
Yeah. Yeah. Next.
And coming to K-L-M and P,
Hmm.
the sounds are the same as English. K, L is L, and M is M, and M is M, and N is N, and P is P. So if you take the word K-L-A-S-S-E, so there are two consonants before A, so it becomes cluster,
Hmm.
and take the word S-C-H-I-C-K-E-N. There are two consonants after I, so it becomes chicken
Hmm.
instead of
Next.
chicken.
Yeah.
Keller,
Yeah.
K-E-L-L-E-R will be Keller,
Hmm.
and W-I-L-L, two consonants after I, so it becomes will.
Hmm.
Uh, two consonants after A, so it becomes Uthman,
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Shwim,
Little bit you can put A. Little bit A you can put Atman like this. Okay.
Uthman,
Hmm.
Uthman. Shwim will be double M, so that's Shwim,
Hmm.
Shwim. And then R-E-N-N-E-N will be Renan,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
for N, Renan, okay. And B-R-A-U-N, that will be Brown,
Brown.
Brown,
Brown.
B-R-A-U-N, Brown. And
Correct.
LIPPE will be Lippa.
Lippa. Okay, right. So this completes our rules till P. Now let's move ahead. The next one which we have is Q. You can see my screen here. So
Yeah.
Q always comes with U, just like in English also. If you see quality, qualify, in English also we have Q always coming with U, right? So QU sound becomes Q. QU sound becomes Q. Okay. So speak the example.
Quer.
Quer.
Okay.
Okay. Quer. Yeah. Next R. R is R.
R.
Okay. R is R. So that is
R.
guttural R sound. R. R like guttural means something coming from inside of the neck. R. R plus H mix. Okay.
R. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
R.
Yes. So speak this example.
Glutural.
Glutteral is the
Okay.
basically type of sound. Glutteral means something coming from inside of the neck. R. That is called as glutteral. So this is the example. Riser. See here. Right hand side.
Riser.
Riser. Next.
Brooder.
Brooder. Next.
Schwester.
Schwester. Riser, brooder and Schwester. Correct. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir. Okay. Single S is the, double S is sir. So speak the example.
Zingen.
Zingen. Next.
Schloss.
Schloss. Okay. Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss.
Correct. Okay. Zingen and Schloss. Next is T. T is T for tomato. So speak the example.
T. Tongue. Tongue. T.
Tanken.
T or T?
Tanken. Okay.
Tanken.
Yes.
Ratten.
Ratten. Correct. Okay. Tanken and Ratten. Got it? Next is V. V is for
T with the tip of the tongue or is in
ta. Normal ta for tomato. That one. Okay. Tanken and Ratten. Yes. Next V and W. V is for and W is ver. V is for and W is ver. V is for and W is ver. Yes. So speak the example. Volkswagen. Okay. Volkswagen, it's a German company. Fox means people and Wagen means car. So that means people's car. So you have to speak like Volkswagen only. Don't speak Volkswagen or Volkswagen, nothing. Volkswagen. Okay?
Volkswagen.
Yes. Next example. Feel.
Okay.
Next. For.
Wasser.
Yeah.
Vegan.
Vegan. Next.
W is V. Okay. Vegan. I said vegan. And
Wo. Okay. Vegan and wo. Correct. Next is X. X is X only. So speak the example.
X-rays.
X-strahlen means X-rays. Okay. X-strahlen means X-rays. Correct.
X-strahlen or X-strahlen?
Strahlen. Okay.
I have to say Strahlen, not Strahlen.
No, it's X na X. X-strahlen. That means X-rays.
On the word S after X.
No, X is different and ST. These are two different words combined together. Just like X-rays, so X-rays are called X-strahlen. It's written here. See, X-strahlen X-rays. That is the word. Okay.
Okay.
Next is Y. Y is ui. Y is ui sound ui. So speak the example.
Ui. Okay.
Example. Twip. Correct.
Twip.
Okay.
Twip or twip?
Twip.
Okay. Twip.
Correct. Then next is Z. Z is sa. Okay. Ta and sa mixed together. Ta and sa sound mixed together. That is the sound of Z. Okay. Ta and sa mixed together. Example. Sight and soup. Sight and soup. Correct.
Soup.
Yes.
Sight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sight and soup. Okay. Then we have some combinations. ST is ishta. Okay. ST ishta sound. SP ishpa. SP is ishpa. Right.
ST ishta.
Yes. SP is P. SCH is Sh. Okay. SCH is Sh. TSCH is Ch. SCH is Sh and TSCH is Ch. Ch. It's written as Sh here, but you have to prefer Ch sound. Sh they speak only in some regions, but 99% they speak Ch for TSCH. Just like you can say Deutsch, so that's TSCH, that is Ch. And PF is F. PF is F. Okay. Yes, yes. So speak the example.
Stool.
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 Hmm.
Oh, yeah,
Next.
stool, sorry. Stool.
Yeah.
Strafe.
Next.
Spielen.
Spielen. Next.
Speiche.
Speiser. Speiser.
Oh, sorry, Spicer. Yeah, Spicer. Sport. Sprechen.
Sprechen. Sprechen.
CH is sure.
Okay. Yeah, Sprechen. Sprechen. Right?
Expression.
Sprechen.
Okay,
Next. Tougher.
Tougher and
Tougher.
Ferd.
Fed. Fed. Fed.
Fed.
Yeah.
Fed. Okay. Expression is. Okay, expression is CH is sure.
CH is sure. Yeah, that I'll tell you now. See here, CH, whenever CH comes after A or U, okay, whenever CH comes after A or U, then it is the K sound, otherwise Sh sound. Okay, whenever CH comes after A or U, it is K, otherwise Sh. So this will become expression, it's coming after E, so expression.
Okay. Coming after A or U, then it becomes
K. Example, let's say if I say NaCH, Nak. Okay, or if I say Auk, AUCH, like this. Okay, or if I say Hawk, HOCH. So CH coming after A or U, that is having the K sound. Otherwise, Sh sound.
I got this confusion because I was using Duolingo, right? There they're using they're pronouncing the word fraction.
I'll tell you what happens. 99% this rule is applicable, which I have given you. 99% of the areas. Only 1% area in Germany, they have the reverse rule. So you will find they're speaking expression as a Sprechen. Okay.
In the Rhine area, what do they use?
South Germany, they you might find reverse of this rule. But still it is not clear. You know, some areas they have, especially the area near to Italy, they have the reverse of this rule. So there you will find people calling this word as Sprechen instead of expression. But you don't have to follow that accent. Okay? Because I am telling you overall 99% complete wherever in whichever country Germany is spoken, 99% this rule is followed which I have given you. So you have to follow this accent only. Okay, even if you find someone else is speaking Sprechen, let him speak. Okay, you know, if you start figuring out one word like this when you really speak, you will become more confused. So let it be. Just like in India, if you see na, in India the Hindi of Kashmir is different, Hindi of Bangalore is different. Okay, so we cannot do anything in that. Let it be. Okay, right? We have to speak our language. So whatever rules you are doing, that I have taken from McGraw-Hill, Barron's, the books we have, where the grammar is invented, right? Those books. I have not invented these rules. So follow these rules blindly. Okay, no need to worry. The Duolingo and all, they are just like, apps are there. So I don't know whoever author wrote that rule in Duolingo, he might be from that area. But because of that, you cannot do mistake everywhere. Okay. Okay, so always follow this rule. When you will go, you will actually see that this rule is valid, right? 99% people they say expression only, and only few are there who will say Sprechen and all that. So let it be, let them speak. Okay. Right. Yeah. So speak this example. Ish, station, all this.
Ish, station, Tisch, Schul,
Schule.
Deutsche.
Schule and Deutsch. Correct.
Deutsch.
Okay. Clear. Everything.
Yeah, clear.
Now I am sending you this PDF also, part 2. So download the file and revise till that page number 3. Only till that page number 3.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Send on the Skype chat.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Done all. Revised.
Yeah, yeah. Done. Yeah, yeah, done.
Okay. So start from Q. Let's finish it. Start from Q. Speak the rule and the example.
Q is core. Q sound.
Queer.
Core.
Queer. Yeah.
Square.
Hmm.
It's square. Uh, Q is core sound, right?
QU is queer. QU is queer sound.
Square. Okay. Example square. R uh, comes from the throat. R. So the
Hmm.
word is rice.
Riser. Yeah.
Riser. Riser. And then comes Schwester. Schwester.
Brooder and
Bru-
Schwester. Yeah.
Bruder. Okay.
Hmm.
Bruder and Schwester.
Hmm. Next.
S. If single S, then the sound will be Z. If the double S, will be Sa. So
Yeah.
Zingen and Schloss. Schloss.
Next.
T as in tomato, T. So Tunken
Hmm.
and Ratten.
Next.
V will be, the sound will be F as in football. So Volkswagen. And W will sound as V for very, V. So VI will be feel, VOI will be for, WASSER will be Wasser,
Hmm.
WIGEN will be vegan,
Hmm.
vegan. X will be X, so X-Strahlen and
Hmm.
X-ray.
Yeah. Next. Trip.
T will be sound as T. What did you mention about UI?
Trip. Trip. Why is we sound? Trip.
So Y is UI. Okay. So trip. Y is UI sound, so it will be trip.
Next.
Okay. And then, so the words are Zeit
Site.
and Suk.
Soup. Soup. Okay. Hmm.
Sight and Suk.
Correct. Okay. Then stool,
Combinations.
Straffer.
Yeah. ST so Stuhl,
Hmm.
Strafe,
Hmm.
Strafe, Spielen, Spice, Speise.
Hmm.
Is that right? Speise,
Hmm.
Sport.
Yeah.
Is it S? Is it Sport?
Sport,
Sport.
Sport. SP Sport, Sport.
Okay. Yeah. Sport. Speisen. Sprechen.
Expression. Sure. Expression.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sprechen. Sure. Expression. Tafel
Hmm.
and Ferd.
Fed. Okay. Then next, ish, station. Hmm.
Ish,
Hmm.
Station,
Hmm.
Tisch, Schule,
Hmm.
or Schul, just
Schula,
Schul,
Schula. E in the end is Schula.
Schule, Schule, Deutsch.
Deutsch. Now we have some examples written here. So speak these examples.
Gut,
Hmm. Gelb.
Gep,
Gelb.
Gelb,
Hmm.
Magen,
Magen.
Magen,
Hmm.
Magen,
Hmm.
Freitag,
Freitag.
Freitag, Freitag or Freitag?
Freitag.
K, right? And with K, na?
That's an
Freitag.
exception. 1% words you will find exception. Okay. So
Okay,
make it
Freitag.
Freitag only. Don't say Freitag. Yeah.
Okay, Freitag, Hut,
Hmm.
Heben,
Hmm.
is it Heben? Leren,
Hmm.
or is
Yeah.
it Leren?
Hmm.
Leren, Haben,
Hmm.
Jodler,
Hmm.
Junge,
Hmm.
is it Yorhr or A? Yar,
Jodler, Junge, Yar. J-A.
Yar,
Yar. Hmm.
Yar, Jurist,
Hmm.
Klein,
Hmm.
Wecker,
Wecker. Yeah.
Kissen,
Hmm. Hmm.
Kurs,
Hmm.
Mag,
Hmm.
Moose,
Hmm.
Worm,
Warm. Yeah.
Warm,
Hmm.
Warm,
Hmm.
Sturm,
Turm. Yeah.
Net,
Net.
Net,
Hmm.
Net,
Hmm.
Donner,
Donor. Next.
Donner, Given,
Given. Okay. Good. Next.
Party,
Hmm.
Price,
Hmm.
Tapet,
Tapeta. Yeah.
Tapeter,
Hmm.
Tapeter, Kufa,
Hmm.
Quark,
Yeah.
Qualif, Qualifizieren,
Hmm.
Qualifizieren,
Yes.
Quittum,
Hmm.
Quorum,
Hmm.
Kurum, Kurum,
Yeah.
Kurum, Kurum,
Hmm.
Kurum,
Hmm.
Rollshoe,
Roll shoe. Next.
Rollshoe,
Hmm.
Recht, or
Rest.
Rect.
Yeah. Rest.
How you see it in Recht?
Hmm.
Saren,
Hmm.
Butter,
Hmm.
Super,
Hmm.
Sir,
Zagen.
Zergen,
Zagen. Yeah.
Zagen, okay.
Hmm.
Messen,
Hmm.
Messen,
Hmm.
Bessen,
Hmm.
Trend,
Troy. EU is Oi. Troy.
EU, okay. Try, okay.
Hmm.
Flirt,
Flit.
Flate, okay, Flate. Flotte.
Flotter.
Flotter.
Yeah.
Flotter.
Hmm.
Bert.
Bart. Yeah.
Okay, single. Bart. Yeah. Bart.
Hmm.
Verret. What?
Faircat.
V-E-R.
Faircat. Faircat.
Verret. That's K.
Hmm. Faircat.
Verket.
Hmm.
Fall.
Hmm.
Verket. Fall.
Hmm.
Fear.
Hmm.
Fulga.
Fulgar. Next.
Fulgar.
Hmm.
Varum.
Varum. Next.
Varum. 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 Where. Where.
Hmm.
Where or where?
Where? Where?
Where? Okay, where? Fervendum.
Hmm.
Fervendum. Ander. Anderswo.
Underscore. Next.
Su.
Hmm.
Blitz.
Blitz. Next.
Kratzen.
Kratzen. Yeah.
Zeppelin.
Zeppelin. Okay, good. Right. So this completes our rules till P. Okay, last 2 pages we'll take later in the next class. Today your homework is only you have to revise this. Okay, part 1 and part 2 only till the page we have done. Only till this page number 4. Till these examples only. Okay. Right. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Let me close this.